Hey guys, this is Maria and welcome to my channel. Here are 3 excellent survey and GPT sites to earn money even if you are not from the US, UK, Australia or other top-tier countries. One of the most important things to have success with Pay Survey and Get Paid To sites is to find the ones that have earning opportunities for you. Which sites are the best to join depends mainly on the country you live in. Here are 3 sites to quickly find opportunities that suit your needs. All the links are in the description. Please note I might earn a commission when you open an account with my links. The first site is WiseSense. WiseSense offers a lot of pay surveys. It also provides money for taking offers, tasks, daily activity bonuses, and downloading apps. Through the WiseSense app, you can also earn per minute you play games. It offers different reward options including PayPal, Pioneer, Skrill, and gift cards. It's available in more or less all countries, including Argentina, Colombia, India, the Philippines, and Vietnam. You only need to earn $10 to cash out through PayPal. WiseSense has also introduced payout methods with a lower threshold. You can get Amazon gift cards when you have reached $5, and one of the newest gift card rewards is the Steam gift cards. Steam cards are, however, mainly available in European countries, while the other rewards are available everywhere. How much you can earn on WiseSense depends on how many opportunities you wish to use, as there are many. In general, the rewards for service are pretty good concerning the time spent, so they are worth participating in. But there are also a lot of other opportunities. Some offers give high rewards and the tasks can also provide some nice extra money, especially if you are one of the top earners and get a part of the weekly prize money. By being active, you can also qualify for the daily checklist bonus and earn up to 16% extra, which is great. So WiseSense is one of the survey sites that have good earning potential. The second site is Swagbucks. Swagbucks is one of the absolute biggest survey sites with many opportunities. On top of the surveys, you can also get cash back when shopping online, earn by surfing the internet, watching videos, and participating in contests. Depending on the country, you will get a $3 to $5 joining bonus through the link below. The reward options include PayPal, Pioneer, and gift cards. It's available in almost all countries, but most chances are in the US, Canada, UK, Ireland, Australia, Germany, France, and Spain. Swagbucks gives excellent opportunities to make extra cash or get rewards depending on your preferences. In general, surveys are a great way to make extra money, but Swagbucks offers many other great ways to earn. Some methods can be an effortless way to earn, allowing you to really boost your earnings. And if you like shopping online, Swagbucks can give you massive savings and a great daily activity bonus. The last site is HoneyGain. HoneyGain pays you for sharing your unused internet. It can take a bit of patience, but what makes it attractive is that it offers a completely passive way to earn, and you will get a $5 bonus if you join through the link below. According to their calculator, if you share 10 gigabytes of data daily, you can earn around $30 per month. Of course, you also need to calculate the cost you have for your internet connection. If you have unlimited internet, it's worth it. But if you pay as you go for your internet, it might cost you more than you earn, depending on your plan. But with unlimited internet, it can be an easy way to earn as you do not have to do anything. Please note that these 3 excellent survey and GPT sites to earn money have referral programs allowing you to earn even more. Finally, survey and GPT sites will not make you rich. You should refrain from joining with that as the goal. If you are looking for social media paying jobs, make sure to click the first link in the description to take a 1-minute quiz to find out what type of social media job you are best suited to. For more ways to make money online, remember, please follow me.